I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan lets you add services. This avoids roadblocks later. Next, gather the essentials: service name, duration in minutes, price, and location or video link. Once done, log into Acuity and navigate to Scheduling, then Services to open the ad form. This first action moves you from planning to execution quickly. It ensures the form fields are ready and accurate before you input anything, which saves edits and keeps your calendar consistent. You now fill in the core fields: name, category, and a concise description so clients know what to expect. Then set duration and lead time to control bookings. Make sure availability aligns with your calendar sync. Continue by adding intake questions and selecting payment options so you capture necessary info and revenue up front. Also configure buffer times, maximum clients per slot, and recurrence rules. These details prevent double bookings and keep your workflow smooth, especially when sessions repeat. You finish by previewing the booking flow exactly as a client sees it. Test booking end-to-end to verify confirmations, calendar entries, and payment capture. Once satisfied, publish the service and double-check that your calendar syncs and email or SMS notifications trigger. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by confirming account permissions, resyncing linked calendars, and ensuring required fields are filled. Missing required fields or broken calendar links are the most common causes of failures. Make adjustments and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.